So in today's video, I will be talking about coconut coir and how fantastic it is. I've been using it for years and it works awesome. I find that when I use it to start my seedling, it does an amazing job. And I don't know, I find like there is less like fungus or any problems with diseases or anything like that. So yeah, I love using coconut coir, and I'll just show you guys what it looks like. I'm just out here planting some seedlings, so it looks like this. It comes in a block, and this is what it looks like. And of course it's encased in plastic, but basically it just says it's a growing medium. It's let me see if I can show you guys. So that's basically here. It's just coconut coir brick, high moisture, no added chemicals, improved soil drainage. If you're hearing noise, it's all this Canada geese, man. They're flying around and they're in the fields on the other side. High lignin content and free from weeds and seeds and pathogen. So I love this. It's $1.99 a block. And guys, you have to get it really early because they sell out like really quick. And I think the only store that I'm able to find it in is Home Hardware. I don't know if any other stores carry it, but that's where I'm able to find it. And it expands like 8 to 9 times its volume. So just think of that expanding 8 to 9 times. And so I have it in here in this thing here, and I just add water, and then it's just gonna continue to expand and fill up the bucket. So this is basically what it looks like, and once it expands, see the consistency of it, just gonna be wet, very wet. And yeah, it's really good. And then what I do is I mix it with my peat moss. So I mix with my peat moss, and then I mix with my sheep manure over here. So this is basically how I do it, and it works really awesome. So if you guys, if you can get your hands on some coconut coir, that is like a really game changer in the outcome of your seedlings, because it just does an amazing job, and your seedlings are much more healthy and they're much more stronger. I don't know what is the reason, but I don't know, it just works. It just works, I'm telling you guys. And then of course I also add like a little bit of bone meal and my own organic fertilizer to my seed mix. And yeah, so it just helped me to not have like leggy seedlings and plant casualties, and I just have awesome plants. So I'll come back with another video showing you guys exactly how I mix my soil. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you how I mix my soil. It's just plain, easy, and simple. So guys, thanks for watching, and I hope that next time when you doing your seedlings and stuff, you choose some coconut coir. So next time guys, I hope you use some coconut coir in your soil mixture. And yeah, but if you are already using coconut coir, tell me your results. You know, what do you find? What's the result? Do you find it's better? Like your seedlings are better, they're stronger, healthier, less leggy when you use coconut coir? Or yeah, just let me know. If you use peat moss, coconut coir, if you mix it together, if you don't, and a matter of fact, just let me know if you ever use coconut coir and tell me what result you have using it. All right guys, remember, you're beautiful. It doesn't matter what anybody think. And ciao ciao, I'll see you in the next video.